Hello, good afternoon. Hello guys. Hello nationwide, worldwide. Happy Saturday. Now Saturday morning. It's almost 7. I don't know what time here in Iraq. In Baghdad. So now I think that this one is very familiar to you. So Sisi is not with me, so I have a time to cook by myself. Okay. This one, we call this one is lugaw. Okay, rice. In rice, I make it boiled. Good. Of course, I must have it clean first. That's that. And then I make it boiled and boiled. And you know this one, all the Asian countries, I think, it's very familiar to you. Even in Arabian Sismo, it's very familiar. Okay? This one, the cacao. So, if the rice is done already, I make this one, mix inside. So, we call that one sampurado. Okay? And I put milk. We have a powder milk. Okay? This one. Any milk as you can. But I have only this one. So, I use at least that this one also is milk. It's the same milk. Okay, so I'm cooking by myself if Sisi is not with me, or Madam if I have extra time. So that's what we do. Okay. Now I make my breakfast sampurado. Okay. I really miss already this one. I'm just doing, not always, not every day, not much that. I'm just doing if I have free time. And now I finish already again as usual. In my daily routine, I always including that one almost in my video, that when I finish me in the balcony, in the bathroom. So even Sisi is here or not here, I make clean first in the small balcony on the other side, because I have always laundry there. So what happened? Okay. Bakit pa yan? That's why I put water na lang yan. Water for drinking para it's good. Here, I can take water from here. Okay. If it's need more water. And now in the kitchen, I clean already a little bit. Okay, here I clean this one. Okay, so I start cleaning here. When I finish cleaning here in the kitchen, and I finish also my recipe in the morning, Saturday recipe by myself. Okay, so when I finish, I go to if Sarah wake up, I make first the big balcony, because I need to put water in the big balcony. I put water there just once a week, I think once a week only. I just make mop and then put water once a week. It depends if it's very dirty, but now it's already winter, and sometimes if it's in 1 week twice raining or no, so I need to clean again for the balcony. Put water, use water, because it's easy. Okay, and then after that one, I start na to make sala, dining, or rooms or Sisi. It depends if where is Madam, where is Sarah. He stay. If he stay in sala, so I go in the room first, like that one, or in the office. It depends. I'm cleaning every day, even Sisi with me or Sisi without. It depends. If Sisi is not without, so I can clean this one, the cabinet. It's not too much go out, because this one here, it's not the same in our first unit, because it's easy to clean there. But here, I can't. I'm always using all the Oh, it's the leader on this one. Not like before. Okay. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you. And later, if I finish my breakfast, you can see already my sampurado. Okay, thank you again for watching. Keep it safe. And shout out to all subscribers of mine. Shout out nationwide and worldwide. Even you are not watching my simple video. I wish that you subscribe, you support my small YouTube channel of mine here that I'm working in the Baghdad, Iraq. Baghdad is the capital city of Iraq. Okay? Again, thank you, and God bless us all. And bye!